Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to set up your OnePlus Nord N10 handset for the first time. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, power on your handset for the first time. The handset will power on and ready for initial setup. It will take some time. Now you have to set up your handset. Tap on the Start button to begin the setup process. Read the terms and conditions, then tap on Agree. From the confirmation box, select Agree. If you did not enter any SIM card, tap on Skip. You can connect any Wi-Fi network, or you can skip for now. From the confirmation box, select Continue. Tap on More to see all the Google services. Then tap on Accept. These are the OnePlus co-creation user programs. You can skip this, or you can agree. You can add your fingerprint to unlock your phone, or you can skip this. You can set PIN for the screen lock to unlock your phone, or you can skip this. From the confirmation box, tap on Skip Anyway. Select the system font you wish to use. Then tap on Next. Choose between navigation bar and gestures that you prefer. Then tap on Next. And finally, tap on the Start button. That's it. Your phone setup has been completed, and it is ready to use. So in this way, you can set up your OnePlus Nord N10 for the first time. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.